Guys, those are huge. I'm just gonna give you an example. My phone, okay? This is my phone. And that's how big the spiders are. Or long their legs are. Okay. Longest legs ever, guys. Well, this ain't creepy. What the fuck are you guys bouncing for like that? You guys are weird. Whoop! Look at you. Woo! The fuck? I ain't never seen this. Those are the longest legs I ever seen. Look at that. Look at comparison. That comparison though. Look how big they are. Look at how long their legs are. Ah! The fuck? You guys have some of the longest legs I ever seen. You guys are like advanced daddy long legs. Whoa. Holy shit. These are like advanced. They don't even like the wind. Ah! Didn't see you there. These are weird looking spiders. Hey! Whoop! Whoop! Yo, these things are literally as big as my cell phone. Look. The longest. Oh, we're gonna fall. Let's get a little bit close. Let's see what you're doing over here. It's touching it. It's touching it. It's trying to touch my light. See, it's touching it. It's trying. I'm out of here.